Love is the answer at the Pie Factory on the 2nd of March. I popped in earlier this week to go and see this show and liked it so much I actually came back to record this and share this with you all. So it's a really beautiful show. It really got me thinking. I loved the gold detail, the ballet on point there. There was a lot of beautiful pieces of artwork. I personally really connected with the coffee bags as when you step afar from them, when you're about to go into the next room, I realised there was a little person peeking. So there's got a really interesting bio, which when it comes up, I would recommend here pause, have a look at Clay Chorus, but also come to see the show. It's really worth seeing in person. I'm only showing you little nuggets because I don't want to give too much spoilers, and it's got a beautiful video at the end, which I really paid attention, where Geoffrey Chambers spends a lot of time working with the community and bringing art to all. Do have a look, Pie Factory, Margate up until the 2nd of March.